has searched how to buy shares of Eni Energy Company to demonstrate the process. Eni is an integrated energy company listed on CBOE EU under the ticker ENI.MI. This video is educational and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify the account, typically with an ID document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar to find the company by name or ticker. Type ENI.MI and select the Eni Energy Company listing on CBOE EU to locate the correct share. On the asset page, review the brief company summary and the price chart to understand basic information. Confirm the listing shows CBOE EU and the ticker ENI.MI to ensure it is the correct stock. Click Buy or Trade, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed at the next session, and the platform will prompt you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. After purchase, your position will appear in your portfolio so you can monitor it. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to visit the platform for more information.